join the class just because maybe I have given one activity for you people to do it. Is it so? Hmm? Whenever I give you some activity, you try skipping the class. It is not correct. Okay, fine. So have you done your small assignment, whatever I had given, the open-ended questions? Yes, no, quick, rather than wasting time. Because first of all, initial 5 to 7 minutes, I have to wait for you people to get, to join for the class. And now, done your assignment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
I want somebody who's not got the chance earlier to at least, read out whatever answer you have written. Anybody voluntarily? I had given 5 open-ended questions to be answered or to be expressed, your viewpoints. Anybody want to do it
No,
randomly?
ma'am.
Hmm?
May I do it, ma'am?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
First question, ma'am. Where would you see yourself in the next 5 years down the line? Ma'am, myself, if I'm going to see myself in the 5 years, I just drawn a graph, ma'am. In case I'm married, uh, if they allow me to do job, I'll do the job. Not married, I'll do job and I'll go to abroad and experience my job to the fullest. And next question, ma'am. What is life all about for you? Ma'am, may I move on, ma'am?
Yeah, carry on, carry on.
For me, life is all about living every day happily, growing, changing myself, learning from mistakes, family and friends, sharing everything with myself at the end of the day. Third question, ma'am. Does materialistic world give you eternal bliss? I feel for me, materialistic world is boring and non-realistic. I mostly care about realistic emotions, people, affection. Fourth question, how would you like to show gratitude towards your we wishes? Gratitude, it differs from person to person, according to me. But if I'm supposed to tell what's gratitude for me, I would say respecting and caring that person until they deserve it. Moving on, fifth question. What is the ultimate aim of your life and by when, according to you, will be able to achieve the same? My ultimate aim is to be rich by earning myself, to look after myself independently, not dependent on anyone, prove that society is wrong about women. This could be achieved when I get a good job and I be independent myself. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, good. Unmute all of you and give her a clap so that you all will get a feel of classroom environment. Only Smita, huh? What about others? Okay, anyway, nice. Uh, what, as a third person, what I feel was the observations based on your answer. Your answer were very small, to the point, but I wanted, much more to be elaborated because this was an exercise given to you people, so that you can express yourself, your thoughts, whatever it comes to your mind in the form of uh, documentation on the paper. So I felt somewhere uh, less points were written down. Okay, anyway, good effort. Okay, next, any one of you, one boy, anyway, one girl is done. I want somebody from the boys side to read out the answers for what you have written. Five open-ended questions. Any boys? Don't start leaving now, boys. Ajay, Kritik, Yeah, only 2 boys are there. So anyone among these two? Can you read it out? Whatever you have written. Kritik? Ajay? You can hear me or you cannot hear me or you're pretending not to hear. What is the case? Okay, boys don't want to participate. Anybody else? Any other one student? Would like to read out? Smita. Okay, carry on.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you're audible. You can start. Smita.
Yes, ma'am. Where would you see yourself in the next 5 years down in line? So I don't know where life would take me, but I would grab all the opportunities that comes by my way and would give the best out of me, no matter what it is. Next, what is life about for you? According to me, life is a miracle. We have no idea where life would take us or what would happen to us the next moment. Life is filled with full of surprises, miracles. Whatever comes, living life to the fullest is what I know. Next, does materialistic world give you eternal bliss? Yes, of course. Possessing wealth and making use of it, having good health, achieving good jobs, having a good family, is the bliss we can see in this materialistic world. Next, how would you like to show gratitude towards your well wishers? I would stand by them at whatever situations and keep them happy throughout my life. What is the ultimate aim of your life, and by when, according to you, will you be able to achieve the same? My ultimate aim in life is to make my parents proud and to keep them happy all the time. I don't know when I would be able to achieve this, but I will try my level best to make this as fast as I can. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, nice. So you all have written your own your viewpoints. That's something nice, commendable. Okay, good. Okay, so clap for her also because even she has taken the effort to read out the answers. Yeah, you can clap for your friend. Okay, good. Let me share my screen now. On morning first hour, did you take the pledge? All of you?
Yes.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible? Okay. So we'll start with module 4 today. So this is the syllabus, whatever I have been projected here. So module 4 is all about e-commerce fundamentals. Okay. So since you people are more into online shopping, wherever required, I want you people to give some real-time examples what you have done with respect to e-commerce. Okay, so this chapter with respect to examples, it's all about you people. Okay, whatever you want to give examples, it could be related to your own experience or you can generalize, you can take some other example as well. Okay, so module 4 is all about e-commerce fundamental. We will see the introduction, the scope of e-commerce, essential e-commerce processes, electronic payment processes, e-commerce applications and issues, e-commerce application trends, and this is something very important. The three different types of business, in fact, business to consumer e-commerce, web store requirements. Next is business to business e-commerce, e-commerce marketplace, click and bricks in e-commerce. Okay, so these are the topics. Actually 8 hours or 8 units is the time awarded to complete this particular module. So we'll just start. e-commerce system. So first of all, what is e-commerce? So can any one of you just tell me what is e-commerce all about? Any one of you can unmute and just answer. What is e-commerce all about? What is e-commerce all about, students? Yes, it's not afternoon class where you feel sleepy or something. Post your lunch. This is early morning, second hour class, first day of the week. In fact, you all need to be very active, fresh. Am I audible, students? First of all, yeah, I have not muted
Yes,
my mic. Yeah. So, what is e-commerce all about? What, according to you, is e-commerce?
buying
Buying
and
and
selling.
selling goods
Okay,
over
buying and
internet.
selling. Okay, over the internet. Fine. So, you people have done e-commerce?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If yes, how have you done it?
Ma'am, there are many apps like Flipkart, Amazon,
Hmm.
where we buy things.
Okay. That's it. Anybody else who's done e-commerce apart from these applications, whichever your friend listed out now? Any other way of doing e-commerce you people are familiar? Yes, no? Okay, we'll see. Okay, in the due course, we will see or will encounter if there is anything apart from these. Okay. Okay, so e-commerce encompasses the entire online process. Everything happens, in the online mode, right? In the virtual mode, and definitely internet is required, and internet is the key thing or the key vital component required in order to carry out the e-commerce. E stands here for electronic, right? And commerce is like business. So business involves production, manufacturing of products, placing the order, delivering the products. It includes everything. Not only buying and selling. It could be even marketing also, right? So based on the marketing strategy or based on number of views for each of the ads, there are some industries which is being paid. So if you people can just remember or relate to this particular example, for example, see, whenever you try browsing something, okay, all of a sudden an advertisement will pop up. Okay, it will be pushed to your device, whether it is your laptop or it is your mobile device. Okay, certain advertisements or ads will be pushed onto your device, and if you are more interested into it, you just click that particular ad, right? For example, if there is an advertisement for some accessory, then generally girls are more deviated towards accessories, so we will immediately click. And had it been a case if it is for boys, somebody waiting in the lobby, I'm getting some notification. Screen is not visible. Kritik, your message me saying the screen is not visible. What about others? Is
It's
my
visible,
screen
ma'am.
visible? There's some network issue from your end. Check, okay? So if it is boys, then definitely some branded shoes of Nike or Adidas, whatever it is, they if they feel interested, they will click, right? So based on such clicks, see, you started browsing some web page and you have been taken to some other web page, right, based on the advertisement. So that particular company or that particular the brand whose ad was promoted to you or whose ad was pushed to you people will get some reward points or points or cash, whatever rewards, right? So this is the way of marketing, right? And if suppose I'm not interested in that, if the same accessory I already have and I don't want to purchase the same old thing, I might just close the button, because I will have the option of close the button also, right? The moment I close that ad button or the pop-up box, it asks me a few questions, the analytic engine, in the back end, it will ask me some question. why am I not interested in this ad, or you would not like to see this kind of ad in the future, and some more questions, right? So based on our own interest or our own personalized behavior over the browsing of the internet or the web pages, we can select the relevant options, right? So this was just one example. So even for marketing also, e-commerce can be used. So that is the reason it is a collection, or it encompasses the entire online process of developing something, marketing something, promoting something, selling it, delivering it, servicing, and paying for products and services, right? So even servicing also now, just because of this pandemic, people can get it done each and everything, at the doorstep where you are at your place, right? So even if your laptop is not working, if you have internet, then it is sufficient for you to troubleshoot, okay, making use of the internet, right? So somebody else who is sitting, at a different geographical location, he or she can access your laptop, right, virtually, and look for or troubleshoot for the issues what your laptop is having, and he or she might suggest technically what you have to do in order to resolve that particular issue or address that particular issue, right? So it is called as virtually handling the this one, what is it, desktop, right? So you have many such applications, in fact, AnyDesk, and so many other team viewers you have, so that your entire system can be controlled by somebody else, right? So servicing can be done, and then paying for products and services, then payment also. Now initially there was an era where people used to hesitate to do banking, with the help of laptop or computers, mobile. It was a very far off dream, right? So everybody prefer, maybe for 10 years down the line, everybody would prefer going personally to the bank, either to deposit or withdraw money, right? So if you can have a conversation with your parents or with your grandparents, they generally prefer, even today, most of them, they would like to go in person, visit the bank, and carry out their transactions. Yeah, even they don't mind spending 3-4 hours of time waiting in the queue, and to get their service to be processed. So they don't like this kind of services. So definitely now every like the younger generation, okay, or the newer generation, they like everything to be done on their fingertips. That is the reason we have adapted ourselves, to the dynamic internet technology. So even banking also we want to do, right? But now when slowly there is a transition shift, the people who were denying, who were reluctant, who were hesitant to make use of internet banking or mobile banking, now slowly when they realize that there is a proper way of using it, definitely there's no harm, right? But still we see a lot of frauds happening, a lot of what to say, cyber criminal cases being lodged every day, but again, uh, see, human beings are very smart. They are the one who have developed or designed the computers, and so at any point of time, human beings, can make fool of some other human being, right? So that is why hackers are also human beings, right? So the people who do criminal, cyber criminal, cyber theft, or hacking, or frauds, even they are human beings, so they can fool very easily. So that is the reason we have to be very careful when we do e-commerce over the internet, using either our gadgets or laptop, right? So it relies on the internet and other information technologies to support every step of the process. So moving next, this is the scope of e-commerce. I want all of you to draw this particular diagram quickly, because it is ultimately about selling process, buying process, marketing, discovery, transaction processing, service, and support. All of you draw this diagram. Completed students, the diagram. Yes or no? Done, students?
Not yet, ma'am.
One minute. Completed students? Okay. Enable your camera, all of you. Lakshmi Shravani, your face is seen, not the diagram. Neha Pandey, okay. Yeah, now it's fine. Smita, okay. Yashaswini, okay. Only 4 students, how about others? Ajay Kumar. Obviously, Shashaiti, fine. Rakshita. Okay, good. So, for this diagram, okay, each one of you be prepared for tomorrow's class, okay, with one example, okay. You have to relate each and every step or process which is being depicted in this particular diagram, right from selling process to buying process, okay. So you, each one of you be prepared. Randomly, I'll just call 2, 3 students to explain this entire process, because As I said in the beginning, you people are more involved with respect to online shopping. Okay, online shopping is nothing but e-commerce, right? Part of e-commerce. So you're much better to relate with respect to these process. Got it, students? So that will be a small assignment for tomorrow's class. That's it for today. I don't want to quickly finish it off because we're already in the fourth module. What is the status of other subjects? 1 minute. Yes, students, now I want you people to speak up. I just want to know, one of the CR is present here in this particular class, Neha. Apart from Neha also, others can give your inputs because there's only 10 students here. How are your subjects going on? The other subjects. I want the frank opinion.
Ma'am, they have started with module 3, ma'am.
Which subject?
And all other subjects, ma'am, module 3 they have started, and parallelly they are even taking labs also.
Labs using the online tools and online editors like Piazzo.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
about
But ma'am,
files?
file structures, she
Mhm.
didn't start yet, ma'am. Even the mini project she didn't start.
Okay,
She
she's
said
not
she'll be
started.
starting, but yes, ma'am. We have that online placement session, so she was not able to take class at that time.
Okay. She's not started with any of the
Yes.
experiment, a lab experiment?
No,
No.
ma'am. No, ma'am. She hasn't started.
Okay. How about the remaining subject? Software testing is going good?
Yes, ma'am. She's even taking labs also parallel.
Okay. How many programs have completed in software testing?
7 programs, ma'am.
All 7 programs she got completed?
Yes, ma'am. Like she's parallelly explaining also the programs also and even the theory part.
Okay, the concept. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So you people have done with data flow testing, then equivalence class testing. Everything has been done?
Yes, ma'am.
Boundary
Yes, ma'am.
analysis. Okay, good. FS, what's happening? Which module is happening in FS?
Third module, ma'am.
Third module. Okay. So
Yes,
first
ma'am.
module, packing, unpacking, everything is she's been done. She solved some problems
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Problems
Yes,
also.
ma'am. She did.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Then how about web? Web it's going on fine. Theory as well as lab.
Yes,
I think
ma'am.
parallelly it should go on. Otherwise you will not understand the
Yes,
concept.
ma'am. Parallelly she's taking and she's even giving us some small homeworks to
Okay.
design some web pages every day.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then which is the subject MAD? How is the MAD happening?
He's going on well, ma'am. From a few days we didn't have class because of IA. He
Mm-hmm.
did 7 programs.
Okay. Which other subject is
Yes.
left out? 1 minute. File
Mm.
structure, software testing. Okay. Open elective. Is that okay?
Oh,
Going on fine?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. He's going on.
Okay. Okay, students. Okay, then fine. Thank you.